We are proud to announce that Draganfly and Palladyne AI Corp are collaborating to enhance advanced drone systems with Palladyne's next-generation autonomy software, designed for intelligent swarming with Draganfly's advanced military drones. Palladyne specializes in enabling multiple drones to operate as a coordinated team, independently tracking, detecting, and classifying targets using real-time sensor fusion, all managed by a single operator who remains in control. Draganfly is known for its multi-mission line of drones, providing militaries with some of the widest array of capabilities. By integrating Palladyne's platform-agnostic AI into Draganfly's payload and AI-agnostic military-grade UAV systems, operators will gain expanded mission capabilities such as autonomous swarm operations, enhanced real-time intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and operational efficiency across complex environments. This collaboration represents a major step forward in UAV autonomy, bringing capabilities once limited to very large, costly defense systems into scalable, modular, and accessible drone solutions. Together, Draganfly and Palladyne AI are redefining what's possible in aerial robotics, delivering intelligent, mission-ready systems designed to operate collaboratively, adapt dynamically, and extend the effectiveness of every mission they serve. At Draganfly, we're committed to advancing UAV innovation through partnerships that push capabilities and operational resilience, saving time, money, and lives.